Hello, today we'll be comparing Gevi 10-cup drip coffee maker with built-in grinder versus OXO Brew 12-cup coffee maker with Podless single-serve function. Be sure to watch the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing capacity, OXO is better, the grinder built-in Gevi is better, brew type Gevi is better. Burst range control Gevi is better. Single serve function OXO Brew is better. Water reservoir Brew is better. Programmable features stay. Cup size compatibility Brew is better. Pot compatibility Brew is better. Ease of cleaning Brew is better. Brew speed OXO Brew is better. After shut off stay. Noise level Brew is better. Price Brew is better. Special features Gevi is better. Dimensions Brew is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable devices will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the OXO Brew 12-cup coffee maker with Podless single serve function. As the link to buy it is in the video description.